G'day, I'm Melissa Shannon, founder of digitalscrapbookinghq.com, and today
we have reached a milestone at Digital Scrapbooking HQ. We've got over 3,000 subscribers to the YouTube channel. So if you haven't subscribed, now is the time to do it, because I've got a great giveaway to celebrate our hitting 3,000 subscribers. So what you need to do to enter the giveaway is click subscribe and then ring that bell to make sure you get notified when I create a new video. So what's in it for you? The prize is Digi Scrap from scratch. My class valued at $69, and it's actually on sale. So if you don't win, you'll still get a great deal on it. Inside Digi Scrap from scratch, I teach you how to create pages you'll love from scratch. From the very basics, you start with a blank canvas and you create. It's a lot of fun, and as well as the instructions, I also include 6 mini kits so that you can follow along and make the exact example layouts and have lots of fun creating your own designs. So I hope you'll join me to celebrate 3K on your YouTube. And if you're wondering if you really want to subscribe, of course you do. There's all kinds of fun things. As well as recently on the channel, I have uploaded a flip through of an album that I created. I've got lots of tutorials. I've got information on organizing your supplies, and I even got a great podcast. So if you're looking for something specific, the easiest way to find it is click on playlist. And you can either look at the topics here, as I've got all of these playlists nicely organized, or you can just search for, say, photo on one page. And there you go. Here's my tutorial on how to print multiple photos on one sheet and multiple photos on a 4x6. And if you want to learn how to clip a photo, search for that. There you go. So it's really easy to find tutorials that you're looking for, and what's even better is when you watch the tutorial, you'll see that there's a link in the notes that will take you directly to that tutorial on my website. So the YouTube channel is really a great resource, and you can see the step-by-step instructions, all of the tutorial summary on the linked page. Once you've subscribed, make sure you comment on this video to enter. It's pretty simple. Entries close the 22nd of July at midnight Pacific US time. So make sure you subscribe and comment below this video to let me know that you're entered to win. And if you want more chances to win, head to digitalscrapbookinghq.com/3K and you can comment there too.
Thanks so much for joining me today. If you'd like to learn more about digital scrapbooking or Photoshop elements, head to digitalscrapbookinghq.com.